Okay, so today we're going to be doing a review on the Health Mate Forever Hot Cold Packs. Would this be something that would make your camping experience better? Let's try it out. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and just recently John and I were at the RV camping show, and I ran into these cute little puppies and I thought, hey, I wonder if that would be a good thing to take camping. Now, initially they were marketing to like people at chiropractic offices for, joint pain and, because you can use it for a hot pad or a cold pad. But I thought, I'm one that when we go up camping, it could be the middle of the summer, 90-degree weather, but when the sun goes down, I tend to get really cold. So I've got my jacket on, and sometimes you can't get that chill to go away. So I thought, hey, this might be a great option because it's reusable. So let's take a look and see if this is a good option. So they say that this is just a non-toxic sodium acetate solution in here. So when you push the metal button, it's supposed to crystallize and activate, and some molecular something happens, something magic, and it heats up. So let's give it a try and see what happens. I personally like all the colors. I don't know if that's why I bought them, but if anything, you could have fun just kind of playing with them. But let's see if they would serve a purpose for when you're camping. So there's a little disc in here, and you just push it, and it's actually kind of hard. So let's try another one. Okay, so it's a little bit difficult to get them activated. Okay, so now we're trying pliers because I can't get it with my thumbs, which I don't know if that's a good thing or not. So I'm trying to activate it with a pair of pliers. Hopefully I don't break it, but then again, it is non-toxic. Oh, okay, so I've activated it. Maybe it's just that you need something stronger. You can see that now that I've activated it, it's becoming kind of crystallized. Oh, and it's getting warm. So it's actually kind of cool. I wish that it was a little bit easier to activate because that could be kind of difficult, but it's actually getting warm and I kind of like it. Okay, so we finally got a few of these activated. Now, a little disappointed in the activation process because I did have to use a pair of pliers. My thumbs weren't strong enough to activate it. However, the instructions do say that after you've activated it the first time, they are easier to activate. Now, it's great because they've warmed up nicely. So for me, this is a good thing because I always kind of have that chill. They say they last for 20 minutes, which would be good that you could just kind of hold to get warm, or you could throw in your sleeping bag to kind of get that toasty before you went to sleep. We also threw one in the fridge. They say not to put it in the freezer, but we put one in the fridge. So that could be a nice option if you had a couple in your cooler and it was a really hot day to pull these out and just kind of cool yourself off. It also could be used as a first aid product. So let's say somebody fell and sprained their ankle. You've got a kind of like an ice pack that you can use. Okay, so we put these in a pan of boiling water and they got back to the regular stage, and we did reactivate them and it was much easier. So I give them a thumbs up. I got 12 of these for $20. So I'm gonna leave the link below if you would like to try them. We would love to hear your comments and see what you think about them. Okay, so thanks for joining us in the product review. It was fun to have you along. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the reviews and tips and tricks that we have to offer, because we would like to make your adventure a little bit better and a little bit easier. So from Let's Go Now Adventures, we'll see you next time.